Hello everyone, this is NonnaGrace, and I'm here with two little snippets that I'd like to share with you. I was watching Tammy on Keto and the Chaos, and it was her live stream that I was watching, and she gave me some good ideas about a video that I know there's a solution to. Now, she was talking on her video, she was talking about how the dishes are never getting done by the person that's assigned to do the dishes. And you know, when I was a foster mom, I was cooking for 13 people, which meant there would be a lot of dishes. Nobody wants to do the job. Nobody wants to wash the dishes. So my solution to this problem was before we'd sit down to eat, either my husband or I would fill the sink with hot soapy water, and then we would all sit down to eat. And when they were done eating, each and every one would take their dish, their spoon, their fork, their knife, their glass, whatever they had, to the sink, and they would wash their own. Then they would set it in the other side of the sink, because I have a double basin sink. Or you could have them put it into the dishwasher, whichever you wish them to do. And this way, no one had to do the dishes, and the job was done. The other little snippet was about laundry. Tammy was saying on her video how she has loads and loads of laundry. Well, she's got 9 kids, so there would be a lot of laundry. And when you think about it, I had a lot of laundry too when it was 13 of us in the house. So this was my solution. I enjoy the rooms to be picked up. And I had a lot of messy kids. So what I would do is I would go into the rooms, I would pick up the floor, and all the clothes that were on the floor I would bring downstairs and I would wash them. Now, I'm sure you think I was going to do all of their jobs. No, I wasn't going to do their job. The reason I picked up the floor is I washed the clothes, then I would set them in another room where they couldn't get to them. And they would come down and ask me, they'd say, gee, I can't find this top and it's got whatever on it, or I can't find these pants. And I said, well, maybe if you cleaned your room, you might find them. So they would go upstairs and they would clean their room, bring down all the dirty laundry that now was on the floor again, and they would wash it, and we would fold it together. Well, first I would have them put it in the washing machine, and I would have them put it in the dryer, and then I would teach them how to fold their clothes, and they would do it with me. And when that was done and the room was clean, I would give them back the clothes that I took. Now they had all their clothes back again, and they had everything that they wanted, plus they had clean rooms. Now, by doing these two things, I find that they not only learned how to do laundry, how to fold, how to put away, and they also learned how to do dishes. So I feel I was teaching them how to run their household, hopefully when they get there, and it would help them to learn to do these tasks. I messed up again. Oh man, my first video I actually did so much better, but I tried to do it outside, and the traffic was just horrendous. Today is Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to all of those that are fathers, grandfathers, foster fathers, godfathers, or someone that fathers a child that's not even theirs through the community, or however you want to. I don't know. I'm losing words again. I was doing good. Oh, there's a woodchuck on my hill. My husband's been trying to catch that woodchuck, but he hasn't caught it yet. He put out some melon. We actually bought a melon. We can't eat melon anymore, but the woodchuck can. And so anyways, that is my video for today. And my two little snippets were on laundry and dishes. And they do learn to do these jobs, and you're teaching them without any struggle. And everybody, I think, ends up happy at the end. So enjoy your day. The sunshine is shining here. My son called and he said it was raining there in Indiana. But here It's sunny, warm, hot. Oh, and Emma had hatched out 2 baby chicks. One was yesterday that I saw, and now there's another one today. She has 6 eggs under her, so I'm hoping she hatches a few more. And Ruby is still in her little hotel. I tried again, and they just aren't accepting her. I do have 2 are bullying her. The rooster is bullying her, and one of the hens. And I'm almost thinking I want to put them in that little hotel and let Ruby run loose. But I have to figure out which one was the bully of those hens again. So until the next time, you take care, stay warm, and don't freeze. It's not, and if you're where it's cold, try to stay warm. If you're where it's hot, try to stay cool. And I will talk to you at another time. So take care and bye-bye.